I'm here today to check out the latest and greatest in electric vehicles.
So I personally into cars. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. So this came as a golden opportunity. I test drive the EQB and then later on test drive the EQE.
Yeah, the Mercedes we drove was amazing.
And I must say they're both fun to drive.
Wow.
It gave me a very new perspective and I really loved it.
So first off, I started with the Model 3 Performance, and then I drove the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and then now the EQS. It was super cool. Massaging seats, wasn't expecting that. That was awesome. Super comfortable, super smooth drive. It was, and the ambient lighting. Again, nothing I would ever need, but something that is super cool to have.
I'm so happy Mercedes brought these vehicles that we could test drive them today. It was amazing. We'll definitely be considering that for our next big purchase.